Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to make a quick video blog and add it to our forum. If you have a camera that's built into your computer, these are called webcams, and they're often at the top of computer laptops. It's quite simple to do. So I'll go over the basic steps, and then if anybody has any questions, you can ask them in the thread below. So the first thing you do is you go to YouTube, youtube.com. And if you don't have an account, you got to make one. So you just click on sign in, and then you say, I'm going to need to create an account. And this is TMS Wiki test. Current email address is YouTube test at tmswiki.org. So you put in your current email address. You can also make up a new email address if you want, but you just have to make what's called a Google account to use YouTube. Google's trying to unify everything, like all of their different stuff, with one account to make things simple. And basically everybody's going to have a Google account. So anyway, I'm making one right now so you can see how to do it. It's YouTube test at tmswiki.org. If you need an email account at tmswiki.org, just let me know. And then you type in a password. And you put down your birthday, indicate your gender. Hold on, let me figure out. I'm going to see if it'll let me not give my phone number. I think it's okay, but you can only make so many Google accounts, and since I'm a whatever. It's okay to give Google. It's not like they abuse your phone number. They only use it if you forget your password, as far as I can tell. Google is already my default homepage. Let's see, 899-68938-330. Interestingly, I think that they're using their Street View. This image probably came from Street View, and they use that to prove that you're not a robot. Anyway, it's just a silly step that you have to go through. And we're about to finish making our Google account. Good, and it's going to say, hey, verify your email address. So I'm going to go and verify, my email address. There we go. And I click on that link, and we are good. And now let's go back to YouTube. So anyway, the way that they verify the email address is they send you an email. You can read the directions here, and then it has a link in it. You click on the link, and then you're good. And then it says, "Oh, this is a real email address. We have a way to contact this guy if we need to." So anyway, that's how you make a YouTube account. It's like making, or a Google account. It's like making an account on any other website, like making one on our website as well. Okay, so then you go back to YouTube. And now you can sign in, and now we have signed in, and that was pretty simple. And it says, hey, what are your favorite YouTube channels? And you're like, I don't care, I'm not going to watch YouTube channels. So you get rid of the annoying stuff, and then you go to upload. Oh my goodness. Apparently people upload copyrighted stuff, so they are going to make me send a verified thing. So hold on, let me figure out how I'm going to handle this. Alright, so what I did is I put in a phone number for the TMS Wiki's official phone, and we're probably going to be changing that phone feature phone. So anyway, it sent me a text message. I put that in. Okay, so now it's going to make you come up with a name. And normally what you do here is you just put in your first and last name, or you make up a name. You can make up really whatever you want. Google is, well, whatever. Okay, so Google's being a little bit pushy here, and I'm not a big fan of it. What I'm going to do is, since this is kind of associated with the organization, and you can only make so many of these because you have to have a phone number, I'm going to make our channel called TMS Wiki. And we are an organization appropriate for any Google Plus user, and done. So now, what do we did? We made a Google account, and that gets us into Google's system. Now we've made a YouTube channel, which says, hey, we're in YouTube's system as someone who makes videos. And now we can actually go to the upload page. So the whole goal was to get to the upload page. Let me show. Before, I've tried pressing this upload button a couple of times. It hasn't worked. Now I'm going to press it, and it's going to work. It's going to go here. This is what you see when you're in the right place. And then you click on, you want to do a webcam capture. You click on here, and then there's going to be like, webcams are fancy things, and there's lots of security about webcams because, and this is kind of sad, some people have tried to snoop on other people using webcams, and so you have to really give your permission to use the webcam. So I'm going to say Adobe Flash, yes, you can, and remember that please, and then close and go away, and here I am, hi! Anyway, if I scroll down, I can start recording. So let me do that. Hey everyone, so this is just a test recording to show people how they can make their own YouTube channel. It really is simple once you learn how to do it, so I hope this helps. So anyway, that was me doing my video, and then you just, when you're done, you hit upload. It's pretty simple. You know, it's nice to have some, yeah, you don't have to put in the description of the title. Oh, apparently you have to put a description or a title, so let's see. A test video. It wants the description because, I don't know, it wants the description. There's a couple things where Google is just being pushy. I don't want to link it to share it on Google+. Of course, I've used an anonymous account. I'm called TMS Wiki, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to make this unlisted. Now, unlisted is a terrific setting. Unlisted means that the only people who can watch this video are the people who have the link. And the link is going to have a whole bunch of gobbledygook characters in it, so no one's going to guess the link. You will be the only person able to access the link. So I like unlisted. I do a lot of my videos unlisted. It depends. Maybe if you really want to help other people, there's lots of people who find us. Sorry about that. There's lots of people who find us on YouTube. If you want to make it public, that's terrific. So I'll make it public. Okay, so now you can save changes, given YouTube the one. Now we've made the channel, we've recorded a video, and we've uploaded the video. And it says the video is now complete. Refresh the page once the video is done processing. So they've got to like change it and turn it into YouTube format. And if you look at this, you can see the full web address here. These are the gibberish characters that I'm talking about. That's like the address for your video. So I'm going to refresh this page, and you can see, and we can watch it. And now this is a live YouTube video with just... Anyway, so this is the video. I paused the recording by mistake, but anyway, this is the video, and that's really all there is to it. You've got your video. Let me see. I'm going to close these windows to see if I can get a little bit more. You can see that it is in edit mode right now. I'm trying to think about how do you just look at the video. Oh yeah, you click on the title, and now you're watching the video like the world will see it. Remember, I think I did make this public. That's it. It's got no views right now. People can do comments and whatever else. So the key is, if you want to go to the forum and share it on the forum, it's really simple. You just grab the web address. It's up here. If you don't want to grab it up there, maybe it looks different on your screen, you just go to down here underneath above the comments, and you click on share, and there it is. You can use that one. What really matters is it just needs to know these weird characters. Those are the things which identify your video. And then you go to the TMS Wiki forum, and there you go. And you're gonna have to log in. I don't usually log in, so I hope you go in and you say, let's see, I will post this video in how to use our programs. I'm going to make a new thread, and this one's going to be how to make a video blog. And then you just paste that in there. So this is the thing which YouTube gave me. It's got these special characters in here from here. When I was looking at the video, I scroll down and I press share and I grab that. Now when I go to create thread, I just plug that in right there, and then here's where the magic happens. You do create thread, and the software goes through and says, oh, this is a video, we get it, and it replaces it with a video. That's really all there is to it. Now people can do that. After I stop recording this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the edit link to the thing. Oh, it goes in and it processes it. It says, oh, this is a media file from YouTube, and here are those funky characters which identify the video. That's what it turns it into. You don't have to worry about that, though. You just paste in the video, press post, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, just ask me. Anyway, what I'm going to do afterwards is I'm going to post in the video that I'm recording right now above it, and I'm going to turn this into like a real help post. So chances are, what I'm gonna turn how to make a video blog into like an awesome tutorial on how to make a video blog, and it's probably what you're watching right now. So I hope it helps. Just if you have any questions, just go down in the comments below. I just want to say, if you're thinking about doing this, I think it's a great way to get feedback. It could be therapeutic. I think it's really awesome. So I think it's a cool thing to do. Anyway, take care. Hope it helps. Ask if you got any questions.